In contract law, anticipatory breach occurs when a party repudiates prior to the date that the performance is due. Anticipatory breach is an excuse for non-performance by the non-breaching party. A party can retract its anticipatory breach provided that the non-breaching party has not relied on it. By declaring an anticipatory breach, the counterparty may begin legal action immediately rather than waiting until the terms of a contract are actually broken. Parties claiming an anticipatory breach are obliged to make every effort to mitigate their own damages if they wish to seek compensation in court. That could include halting payments to the party that committed the breach and immediately looking for ways to minimize the effects of the breach. It also might mean seeking a third party who could perform the duties outlined in the original contract.